Oh, you're licking.
There's your brothers.
You're licking just like Mozzie.
Look at his tail. Oh, he's crying a little. It's okay. It's okay. Just lay down. Okay, guys, leave him alone. Let him rest. He's still drugged up. Yes. He was happy, though. His tail was wagging. Yes. Leave Marley alone. He's got to rest, Mozzie. Yeah. Okay, guys, I've got... Let me move this. Got Marley to bed for the night. Hold on, let me shut my... Sorry, guys, shut my bedroom door. I've got Marley to bed for the night. And he just got his little piece of banana for his treat. He hasn't really been having any problems with bleeding like Mozzie did, but he's having diarrhea and he threw up a little bit. So I don't know if that's from the anesthesia he was under, maybe the pain pills, not sure. He did eat some canned food a little bit, and when he threw up, that's kind of what it was. It wasn't a ton of throw up. I don't know if maybe it just happened because he's having the diarrhea. Sorry, this may be too much information, but I thought I would let you guys just know how it's been going since he got home, which we got home about 5, I think it was. 5, a little after 5, can't remember. He's been sleeping a lot. When he got home, he was so excited to see his brothers in their crates. He ran right in here with his tail just a wagging. He whined a little bit when he got home. He was still a little wobbly when he walked, but he seems to be doing good otherwise besides the diarrhea and throwing up a little. So it's about 9:30. I'm exhausted from being up early and worrying all day and not getting much sleep because I was worrying last night. So he's going to go to bed and we're going to see how he does. I may be up in the middle of the night with him if he keeps having his problems. So we'll see how it goes. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it is the day after Marley's dental work was done. Sorry I didn't get much video at the vet. Once I got in the office, I didn't even think about videotaping. I just want to concentrate on what they were telling me. So I didn't get much. Sorry, Miggy wants me to kick this ball. I just wanted to concentrate on what they were saying about Marley and what was going on. So he had 11 teeth total taken out. One had to be surgically removed where they had to drill it. I think they said they drilled it in half and they had to surgically take it out because it was so abscessed underneath. What else? He had 4 teeth in the front, 5 molars, and then the one that was surgically removed is called the premolar. So, sorry, he's in the shade over there. They're still kind of wondering about him, like what happened with him yesterday. Max even kind of growled at him a little when he came home. I don't know if it was the smell because you could really smell still the anesthesia and stuff on him. But what was I saying? I always get sidetracked. So he had 11 teeth taken out, but he had already had one that had fallen out in the back, a very back molar. So he's actually he has lost 12 teeth. Just one fell out on his own. And when they showed us the x-rays, there was so much gum loss on some, they don't even know how some of the teeth were hanging on. They said they just came out really easy, except for that one that they had to surgically remove. So our bill ended up being $707. They had to, what really got it was they had to use extended anesthesia a couple times, and that is just so expensive. It's just unreal to me how expensive that is. But on my Facebook page in one of the posts I put about Marley, when I'm being home, I posted a picture of the bill if anyone's interested in seeing what they charged for everything they did. But but he's doing good. He did have, the only problems he really had last night was he had some diarrhea, and I think I already mentioned this last night, diarrhea, and he threw up a little, but he's been fine today. He ate last night about 7 o'clock. They said they offered him water, but he wouldn't eat or drink. So he ate some food last night at 7, and then he ate his breakfast this morning, no problems. Took his antibiotic and pain pill, and I'll show you guys when I go inside what he's taking if you're interested. So, but he's doing good. Once he was in his crate last night about, I think we went to bed about 10, he was fine, didn't have any more problems. He slept through the night. I didn't. I was up, I think, starting from 1:30 in the morning, like every hour, and I'd turn my flashlight on my phone and look, because I kept thinking I was hearing things. Was he scratching at his crate? I was so worried that he might throw up or have an accident in his crate, but he was fine. So everything's going good. Just wanted to give you guys this update, and again, apologize that I didn't get much video yesterday. I was just concerned about Marley and taking care of him once he got home. So a lot of people have been asking how to prevent what's happened with him and Mozzie with their teeth, and the best thing you can do is try to brush your dog's teeth every day as best you can. Get me the dental sprays, the dental treats, stuff like that. But sometimes I do this, and sometimes, like the vet said, it's just small dogs have this problem more than bigger dogs. Yeah, your beard's all messy, isn't it? It's just the thing with periodontal disease with small dogs. It's a problem. So, and the best thing you can do is have your dog's teeth cleaned once a year to get the tartar buildup off, because once you get that tartar build up and the bacteria's on it, it gets into the gums, and that's what it does. They get the periodontal disease, gingivitis and stuff. And I'll link in the description box about gingivitis in dogs, and they have a higher probability of getting it than humans. So anyways, I just wanted to give this quick update, and again, thank everyone who donated to us to help us get this done. Sorry guys, came in, my phone rang and it cut me off from what I was saying. What's the matter? His beard's messed up because he's been eating soft food, and he's been kind of licking like that. I don't know if it's because his gums feel weird with his missing teeth or what. Let's see if we can try to show him. You want to show him? See how he's got his 2 teeth there in the front and the 2 on the side are missing? He might not let me show you the bottom. On the bottom, he's got 2 missing on the side too, but we're not going to mess. We don't care what your beard looks like, do we? But I think I was saying thanks you guys so much for helping us. Another thing with how you can tell if your dog's having problems with gum disease is if your dog's breath starts getting really bad. I mean, worse than just a normal stinky dog breath. That could be signs of infection in the mouth. Marley and Mozzie, Marley especially, his breath was really bad. And from looking at x-rays and stuff, his teeth were actually in worse shape than Mozzie's. Even though Mozzie had 10 teeth taken out and Marley had 11, Marley's gum loss and having the abscess starting, Mozzie didn't have that. So Marley's was even worse. So it was great that you guys helped us and we got him in when we did, because if we would have had to wait till our tax return, which is what we were planning on doing, which now we can take in Miggy and Max hopefully and get their teeth looked at and get them cleaned now with our tax return, since you guys helped us out with getting Marley's done. He probably would have been if we would have waited till our tax return, he probably would have been having a lot more pain and discomfort, and it maybe would have lost more teeth. There were 2 teeth, premolars, that they put a product called Clind Oral in the since the pockets weren't as big, they inject that in. They said it's kind of like a jelly form. They use a syringe and they put it into that air pocket and it fills it up, and then it hardens, but it also has a medication in it, I guess, to heal that area. Sorry guys, my camera shut off because I needed to delete some stuff. I really need to get a camera. Anyways, we're hoping to save a couple of those teeth. So when he goes back in a year from now, they'll take a look at those teeth again and see how they're doing. So hopefully by using that product, they can save a couple of his teeth for him. So, or prolong them having to be removed. So anyways, let me show you, let me go over here. Excuse my messy house if you see some mess. Because I'm sure I've got some mess because I did nothing yesterday worrying about Marley. Got my toaster out still here. This is the medication they gave him. Let me try not to show my address or anything. This is the pain pill he's taking. He's got 3 of these and he takes 1 a day for the next 3 days. And then this is the antibiotic he's taking. He has 14 of these, so he'll be taking this for 2 weeks. No, for a week. Sorry. He has 14 pills, so he'll take this twice a day to heal up his mouth and any infection he has. So anyways, that's how he's doing so far. And I'll give updates every now and then. What are you doing? They think, are you giving us food or something? Why are you out here? Anyways, I'll give updates on them, and I'll actually kind of shoot a video on how I'm feeding them and stuff. And we'll talk to you guys later. Hope you guys have a great day. Again, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.